Change to the food industry now. The Food and Drug Administration announced a commitment to phase out all synthetic food dyes from our nation's food supply. That phase will happen over the next few years. Good evening and thanks for being here. I'm Brennan Gurley. But what does this mean for small businesses who have been using it for years? CBS 19's Robert De La Garza spoke to East Texas bakeries now preparing to find alternatives.
In the Piney Woods and around the U.S., local bakeries are bracing for the potential impact of an outright ban on artificial dyes, including red dye numbers 3 and 40. Bakers like Dylan Humphrey of Cool Cakes say soon sweet treats might come with a not-so-sweet price.
But with anything with that kind of title being natural or organic or anything like that is going to come at a cost. So
this comes as the FDA urges food makers to ditch synthetic dyes and go natural, backing RFK Jr.'s push for cleaner treats. Now, Dr. Jenny Zhang of UT Health East Texas says more patients are asking the same question. How risky are these artificial dyes?
There's a link or association amongst children who are consuming red dye with higher risk of behavioral changes. But there's no definitive data out there that proves it.
Dr. Zhang warns artificial food dyes may also carry a risk of cancer.
Obviously, it's something that the parents should be mindful of, different synthetic dyes, but any of the food can also be associated with toxicity or cancer risk. I think this is just extra information.
Get Baked owner Christina Alvarado says with the holidays ahead, this season's sweets could be duller than usual.
I do know it does affect the flavor, and it also affects the overall product of the end. How vibrant you want your cakes and cookies to be.
But natural dyes come with a catch: higher costs and shorter shelf life, with costs going up as much as 5 times the price right now.
Prices are going up as it is. So yeah, it'll affect us, but we'll try our best to be as transparent as possible.
Cake's a fun kind of luxury to have, but it can be one that people cut off their list pretty quickly if they can't afford it.
So until then, owners are hoping this fad will just die down soon.
So this really just kind of seems like another trend that everyone's hopping on. And with any trend, it's going to be one of those things where you just have to ride the wave and kind of get through it and just kind of see what happens.
Reporting in Tyler, Robert De La Garza, CBS 19.